Hi, hello, and welcome to Health is Free channel. In this video, I am going to discuss with you about my yoga class where I am practicing. Just I am going to share you some of the benefits which I get out of my yoga class, and it is not a promotional video. Just wanted to share with you so that most of the homemakers will get some benefits out of it. So let's start discussing, and please watch the video till the end. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and bell button. Thank you. And the first thing where I am joining to do this yoga class, I will mention you after some time. First, let us see the advantages of the yoga class. The number one, the first advantage is its multiple timings. That means my yoga class has multiple timings starting from early morning 5 o'clock. The classes are conducted till night 8 o'clock. In between there is only the lunch break. The yoga classes are conducted in multiple timings which will be suitable for almost many housewives, those who don't have any fixed timing to do their workout or some kind of physical activity. And these days many homemakers are facing many kind of hormonal issues, knee pain, blood pressure, and whatever, many kinds of illness in even in their early 30s. So in my opinion, most of the girls or housewives must indulge themselves in the particular some physical activity, especially yoga, because this yoga will work from within your body. It is a workout to the internal organs rather than it works from outer. And this flexible timings will not allow you to skip any of the yoga classes. So it will be getting a consistent yoga practice, and also you can select different timings based upon your commitment. This is the main advantage. And the second thing is every tutor is only female tutors are there, so you can easily contact them, ask them any doubts if you have, in even in between the classes and also out of the classes. When the Zoom session is over, they give you 5-10 minutes to ask the doubt, so it is easy. And every tutor who is guiding you are very professional tutors, and they are well experienced. And even though some yoga poses are very difficult when it seems, they guide you through the proper method. They give many kind of warm-ups, many drive-in methods to go into the yoga pose, so that you can easily move to the pose. You can see these changes within 1 month. From the day one, I find much difference in my day 30 of my yoga class. I can do many poses very easily, effortlessly, I feel. And also I had my lower back disc bulge problem when I started this yoga class, which completely vanished in just 30 to 35 days of my yoga class, and now I am very satisfied with my yoga class. And whatever pain you have, they guide you accordingly, where which you should do, which you should not. You can ask them at the same time. And also the yoga classes are mostly in some English guidance, 75%, and 30% somewhat you can hear some Hindi words, but that words you'll also be getting used up in short span of time. That is, it will not create any much to your workout session. And if you are not comfortable, you can also tell them, they will completely explain in English. That is, language is not a problem for any art, I feel. And you can easily get used up with Hindi words also. And for every person who is learning yoga, they conduct daily meditation and pranayama session as a complimentary. It is your wish to learn or not, but it is free. There are 3 classes. You can attend any one of the 3 classes in meditation and pranayama, and every Sunday you get a face yoga session. It is also completely complimentary, which comes along with this package. And now let's see about the fee structure. The fee structure, if you see, it is 750 rupees for 1 month, and it is also calculated from date to date. If you join on 29th, then it is expiring the next 29th, next month 29th. And if you have a 3 months package, then you must pay approximately 560 something, and for 6 months you are paying 460 something per month, and for 12 months it is completely less, like 290, just 290 per month if you are learning for paying for 12 months at time. And there are many advantages also for each scheme, especially in a 12 months plan. All, if you skip the yoga class for some continuous 7 days, it can be added on, like that. You have many advantages with each package, so it is completely useful yoga class, I am saying. And they also conducting 2 trial sessions in which you can just know whether you can understand their concepts. If you are okay, you can join the class. And at the end of every yoga session also, 3 types of pranayama, or at least 2 types of pranayama practice is given, which is definitely useful. And you can also or they are teaching in depth so that you can practice in day to day life. And this yoga class has done many wonders. Mainly it is giving inch loss, weight loss, face glow, and whatnot. Many advantages I am getting from this yoga class. And of course this video might be useful for many of your friends, then please do share the video. And in the description I am giving the link for this yoga class, and there is a WhatsApp number in the link, so that you can follow to WhatsApp them to get the trial session of this class. Okay friends, thank you. Let's meet in another beautiful video. Bye, take care, have a good day.